Okay. So today we are off to get my tire fixed because my passenger tire's got an issue. I think it might be the valve stem that's probably gone on the passenger front. So it's like leaking a little bit. So I'm taking to Bridgestone to get it looked at, and then we are going to go on a cruise. So anyway, let's go. And there we go. I almost bunny hopped it again. There we go. Let's get up. That's better. Here it is. This is where we're supposed to go. So the Skyline is off. Now we can go off and chill. So guys, I have left the Skyline at Bridgestone to get the wheel fixed. My passenger front tire has a slow leak, so getting that fixed will be good. I'm also getting the driver lock fixed. I got to call up a locksmith and book it in because my driver side lock got damaged mid last year. Someone tried to break into the Skyline, as you guys saw, but luckily they didn't get through, and luckily I still have the car, because if I lost that car I would have been heartbroken. So yeah, that's where we're at now. I will talk to you guys soon. I made a small brain moment. I have internal hex lug nuts, which are a specific size. Unfortunately, a lot of mechanics don't have the part to actually take it off. The problem is I didn't pack it with me, so I now got to go up and buy another one. Let's go and figure out what to do here. All right, so we got the Skyline back, boys. So now I can tell you guys all about what happened. Pretty much what happened with the Skyline was there was a pin or something they have managed to repair. They've patched like a hole or something in the tread. That should be a lot better now. So now hopefully this will last me a little bit longer until I get new tires.
My car needs a really good wash.
Damn, I haven't seen this thing in ages. It's been like a year now. Oh, cheers. Oh my God. Mitch just got me a Boss coffee. That is like the ultimate sign of respect right here. So this just in, I'm letting the boys feel my knob. Oh my God. So me, Liam, Mitch, we're just going down to the beach to go and chill. Having an awesome time driving the Skyline again, and this is gonna be so fun. We're back. I just hit 190,700 kilometers on the RB25DE Neo. It has pretty much just been like cruising and taking a beating.
Patrol members be advised. A street racer has just been reported eastbound.
Also, I was just eyeing off a cop that was just chilling there. I just can't believe this car has stuck around with me from 99,000 kilometers all the way up till now. And we just got an awesome, hectic Holden Commodore VE coming up on the right. Yes, boy. Please tell me there's parking on the side. No, it's no through. There's a 2 hour there. Surely there's parking over here. Okay, there's a yeet. Let's go yeet. Parking! Parking in the suburbs! Parking in the suburbs, what the fuck? What the fuck, parking? Oh, boat things is stuck. Oh no, poor guy. Is he just gonna park there? No, surely not. Surely not, buddy. He's staring at us. Maybe we might follow him. We're just trying to find a spot here. He found a spot, did he? Surely. Mine. No. Ah! I hate you! Pothole! Pothole, you're back! Why am I in the left lane on fucking Clayton Road? Fix your roads, fix roads! Oh shit, I am. Ah. Who parks a 4x4 in the middle of the road? Skyline. That was oh, wrong gear. You know we're at highway when you hear wah, 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 wah. But yeah, we back. I haven't been here in ages.
A B18
Chaser? Oh, another four-door. Park next to mine. Yours is cooler than mine though. Oh, someone.
RC doing burnout.
An RC doing burnouts? Damn, it's a lot of smoke for an RC. Oh, he's parking next to me. No, he's not. Is he? Surely. No, you're going past the car. We are at highway, as you can see. And it is popping off. There are amazing builds everywhere. There's a lot of Holdens. I mean, that's kind of the main thing you expect, but there are some JDM nuggets, like an RX-7 over here as well, as you can see. But, I've seen this before. Look at the address. This is mad. Oh, Miat! That's a clean paint job on that Miat. That's not like the OEM paint too. That's like a cherry pearl, That's great. Looks like it. Oh, not bad. Good size. Yeah, no. You know what? I'm kind of in the same boat. But yeah, I've been at it for.
Yeah, of course you're in a boat. You're in a.
In my car. Woo. BL turbo and an STI club spec. I think the whole ground is shaking. I think someone's bass is going off. It just is so interesting. There's like amazing cars here. Like this goddamn Corolla. I can feel all the bass from here. I don't know. It's a Commodore wagon, the VE. That is so cool. Oh my god! What a wrap on that Supra! What the hell? Oh no! Not around the kids! Not around the kids! That is mad. Look at that thing. That's mad. That's so cool. That's amazing! I can't believe I missed that. This guy, I swear.
I think you can outrun them.
Don't say that. My eyes, they're blind. My eyes. I need it. I need it. Hi, it's great to see you too. Damn, I have a buddy now. This is amazing. So that pretty much leaves us at the end. I ended up getting back at like 3 o'clock. I ended up going to bed at like maybe 4, and I woke up this morning at like 12 in the afternoon. So I actually woke up in the afternoon. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Peace.